Hi everyone, Anna at QuickFlora. I wanted to show you today how to do your delivery confirmations. I will be showing you from the POS dashboard, though this is the same process your drivers use while they are on the road. From your dashboard, you'll go to Tools and down to your Delivery Confirmation tab. It will open up in a new window. This link is the same link your drivers have to be able to do their delivery confirmations in real time as they are making their deliveries. As you can see, the form is fairly simple. It will have the date. You select your driver name and the order you are delivering. It'll also show you a delivery status window, whether it was signed for, returned, or even left with a neighbor, and put any relevant delivery notes here. Below this is where your driver gets recipient signatures, and then you're going to click Update. When you click Update, it will bring up a new screen to include a photo of the arrangement. I will show you that here. So we uploaded the arrangement. You first want to click Save, and then we are going to click Continue. Once you click Continue, your delivery confirmation has sent. It will send to the customer with who signed for it, the picture, and any other notes they need.